So this one, I'm not sure it will be in the stock, but if it's there, you can grab it.
So this is how 3 meters.
This is 3 meters. This is 10 feet.
Okay.
So this is 10 feet.
So you don't need a drone actually.
You can make a horizontal, plus you can make vertical, and you can just lock this. This is vertical.
This is right now new, I guess.
New.
I'm like putting table
is coming.
Yes.
In this also we have a carbon fiber from Tennyson. So this stick you won't find anywhere.
Carbon fiber.
It's a carbon fiber. So when this is 4.5. You just have to turn this. It keeps turning. It will make the video into slow-mo.
Got it. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog Yamantaka 17. Today I am here at a vlogger's paradise, content creators, go-to store for action camera accessories and microphones. So this store called G2 Products is the current leader in fulfilling all our creator demands and needs, and they provide with the best accessories available in the market. Sometimes it's not even available on Amazon, but G2 product has it. And if you are in and around Bangalore, they will send your product same day. And also for our brothers, moto vloggers, this is the go-to store, and many moto vloggers have featured this store. That's how I came to know about this store, and I have bought many products here. And the mic I'm recording audio right now also, I bought it here. So you get it at a great price, and they offer product support even after you buy it. It's not like Amazon, they will not abandon you after the sale, right? So with no further ado, let's get to the video, and don't forget to smash that like, share and subscribe. So we are here with Gopal, the person who runs G2 Products and handles all the communication. Hi Gopal.
Hi sir. Namaskara.
Namaskara.
Arama.
Full aram. So can you tell me about G2 Products?
So hello everyone. So I'm Gopal from G2 Products. So I'm the owner of G2 Products. So G2 Products, we have completed 3 years successfully. So this Diwali we are going to complete 3rd year. So this is something how I started was because even I'm a moto vlogger. I used to do moto vlogs in 2016-17. That's how I got an idea of starting a store in Bangalore, because everywhere you go, you were not getting all the items at one store. Because most of the items you had to order Amazon, like
wait
mostly for the mounts.
Yes.
J mount, any kind of. That is where I got an idea, like we can start something very unique. So, but I can tell you today that this is the only one store in the entire Bangalore, the Karnataka, which only deals with the action cameras. We don't deal with the big cameras. It's only for the action cameras, and all the accessories are available. 99%, like most of the brands which are like running right now, the trending ones will be in the stock, and we have all the accessories any day, any stock, even for the bulk quantity also. So now we have dive case for all the models, Insta 360, which is for X2, this for X3, this for X4, and this is a newly launched model X5. So we have for the X5 also. We do have all the batteries for Insta 360, X3, X4, X5, and we have ND filters for Ace Pro. We have mic adapter setup for all the action cameras. Even for the Insta we have Ace Pro, X2, X3, X4. Okay, then we have a lens guard for all the models. We have premium, we have normal, standard, all lens guard. We also have dive kit, so one RS also. We have one X3 premium lens guard. We have for the X5 also, it's a newly launched lens guard. And also main important is aluminum cage. You can get camera anywhere, but the aluminum cage is very important. So we have for X3, X2, X4, X5, all the models.
And it's a machine product, and it's
aluminum quality.
Yeah, light and also very durable and protects.
Because if the camera falls, the less impact on the camera.
Yes.
So mainly, and also we have a fiber frame also. If someone doesn't want to buy aluminum, they can buy fiber frame also.
Okay.
We also have a horizontal mounting. These are Insta 360 accessories. So if anything else we haven't covered, you can contact us anytime. So as we completed Insta 360 all the accessories, so now we are starting with GoPro and DJI Accessories. So we'll be coming with the waterproof case. This is for DJI Osmo Action 3.4. We have Telis in this for Action 5. And we have GoPro 9, 10, 11 waterproof case. In that we have 3-4 qualities, depends on the pricing. And also we have waterproof case for Hero 7, which is a very old model, 2015 model. We have a battery charger. We have vlogging cases for 7 and 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have vlogging cases for all the action cameras. Then we have battery charger for all the models. Then we also have an aluminum case in the same aluminum quality what we have showed for Insta. We have both for DJI and GoPro all the models. We have vertical mounts. We have batteries, Terracin batteries, one of the best batteries, better than the GoPro original batteries. We have Terracin Stamina batteries you won't find anywhere else for the best pricing, very limited quantity. Then we have ND filters for DJI Action 453. We have for GoPro 13 ND filters. We have GoPro 9, 10, 11, 12 ND filters. Then as we covered, we have chargers, multiple charging batteries for all the models. So even for GoPro, we have screen guard protection, everything is available. And now we are coming part to the main point, chin mounts. So chin mounts, usually like market people buy the 200 rupees, 300 one. This Telecine we have, this is for 650 rupees. In this we have one more for 200 rupees also, but those are like very local and cheap brands. And we have Telecine chin mounts. This is on Amazon, it's been sold for 1.2 or 1.3, but here it's flat 1000 rupees. Okay, we have a sticking one. This is a premium one. So this is you can make a horizontal plus you can make vertical and you can just lock this. This is vertical.
This is right now new, I guess.
New in the market. This is not available anywhere. And also as you're seeing Brothers channel, so we have recently started manufacturing or you can tell modification for the each helmet mounts. So this helmet mount is available for the each helmet.
So this is a 3D printed.
This is a 3D printed one. So we currently started this. So we have all the models in this for all the helmets. If we don't have, we'll get you done within 2 hours. Then we have chin mounts, one more quality. So chin mounts we have 7 to 8 qualities, which starts from 200 rupees to till 2000 rupees, varies on the budget.
Got it.
But again, just follow us on Instagram, G2 Products. You'll get all the
for
updates.
all the updates. Yes.
So as you have seen, GoPro, DJI, all the accessories. So this is a very major category for all the bikers, for all the motor vloggers out there. So now we are starting with the motorcycle mount. So we have invisible stick, which is very demanding. So this stick is better than the original. It's an aluminum stick. It's a 1 meter.
Yes.
In this, if you want any height, like we have all the options. So it's not like you only sell 1 centimeter. In this we have various quality. So in this also we have the original one. So original out in the market is for 2.5. We are selling it for 1,600. We have different brands. In this we have a longer one, Insta original. We have a clearance stock. So this one, I'm not sure it will be in the stock, but if it's there, you can grab it.
So this is how 3 meters?
This is 3 meters. This is 10 feet.
Okay.
So this is 10 feet.
So you don't need a drone actually.
You don't need a drone. It's a very lightweight. You can just carry brother once. It's very lightweight.
Yeah, it's very light.
But this price is online for 9,000. Okay. But we are selling it for 6,000. It's a clearance stock, but I'm not sure it will be in stock. If it's there, your subscribers can grab it.
And now, it is what, under 250 grams?
Yeah,
300 grams?
Less than that.
Yes.
Or now you can just carry this aluminum stick. This is aluminum stick.
Yeah.
Just hold this. Look at the weight. This is weight.
Yes. This is a little heavier.
But the price will be within 2,000 rupees. This is for 3 meter stick.
Got it.
So people can use this for fake drone shots also.
Yes.
So we have all the sticks. In this also we have a carbon fiber from Telecine. So this stick you won't find anywhere.
It's carbon fiber.
It's a carbon fiber. Okay. So this is 4.5. So this accessories price I'm telling because this price are very stable, but action camera prices keeps varying, but you can contact us for the best price.
Yes.
So this is a 3 meter stick. Yes. Okay. Now in these are the sticks. We also have the bullet type. So if anyone is having Insta 360, they might be knowing what is bullet time feature actually.
Yes.
Okay, so nothing. You just have to loose this up.
Yes.
You just have to turn this. It keeps turning. It will make the video into slow-mo.
Got it.
So plus this can be a tripod also. In this also we have 2 to 3 qualities. So don't fall for that online cheap ones.
Yes.
So because in this also many qualities. So depends on that. Okay. So this is the bullet time. You can make it a tripod also.
Got it.
So now we are covering motorcycle mounts. So very interesting mounts for all the super bikers, ZX
Yes.
Naro, anyone Ninja,
Yes.
because they don't have space to mount. So it's a windshield mount.
Got it. Okay.
You can just put this on the windshield. I can just show you on video how it looks.
Yes.
Uh,
So this will be stable at 200 plus, I believe.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, so this is the video, windshield mount. Okay, that's how it looks. Actually, it's a customer's video. So you just have to fit it on the any windshield.
Yes.
It will be stable. Look at the output. So that's how this windshield mount looks.
Yes.
So this is very unique mount.
Yes.
And also we have all the handlebar mounts for all the brands. We also have the Insta 360 motorcycle bundle, the original from the brand. But this is a bit expensive, but the worth for the quality.
Yes.
Okay.
So we get it all in one kit.
All in one kit.
Yes. Okay. So it comprises of this Allen key.
I link everything.
Screws.
Screw, everything. Then we have double clamp also. Double clamp also we have 2-3 qualities. This is aluminum, this is fiber. So double clamp, usually what people do is, so example,
Got it.
they want to mount it backside.
Yes.
Okay, so they'll put it on one single claw mount like this.
Yes.
Okay, from there, they'll be giving an adjustment to the crash guard or anywhere. So it will be stable. Plus we have a crash guard mount also for all the bikes. So you can fit to the crash. It's a permanent solution.
Yes.
So and
Okay, so this is fit it once. So it's really heavy and well
really
built.
heavy.
Yes.
It doesn't move because it's been fitted with the Allen key.
Got it.
That's it. So
It's a permanent fixture on the bike.
permanent fixture and motorcycle mount. That's it we have, because these are most of the running items
Yes.
what we have right now.
And I believe this fulfills all the demands of
all
bikers, all kinds of bikers.
It does. For car lovers out there. So this is the high selling product. So this can be used on glass and on the flat surface both. This is a vacuum one.
Yes.
So I'll be now fitting this. It's very easy. Just have to pump in. This is on a table.
So right now it's removing air from that space,
yes.
creating vacuum
So
there.
now,
So we're giving a live demo, guys.
yes. Try. How much of a pressure you can put?
I'm like putting table
is coming
moving. Yes. So
That's what. So it's very easy to remove.
Yes.
It's very easy. Just have to release the air. That's it.
got it. So this is like almost like space tech.
Space. It's a very good product.
Yes.
No complaints yet.
Yes.
So this is one of the most expensive car mode. Then we have a 3 leg, but this is only for the glass.
Yes.
Then we have something for inside car,
Yes.
and we have magnet also. This is a magnet.
Got it. For metal surfaces.
That's it for car. And then we are coming for last, because now you have bought everything, but you want something to carry.
Yes.
So you have a bag. This bag is for pocket 3. So in all this bag, we have just kept 4-5 pieces here, but we have all the varieties. In each bag, we have 3 to 4 qualities, and anytime we'll be having a stock. So because in the video we can't cover everything. So this is a bag for Action 5, Action 3, Action 4 for the adventure combo. This is for Insta 360, X3, X4, X5. We have for all the models. So this is the quality for X3.
So and this has those cutouts so that when in movement,
Yes.
it doesn't move.
It doesn't move. It's because you can keep everything here. You can keep a bullet time, stick, charger, and camera, and everything.
Yes.
So as we spoke about all the accessories, like why didn't we take the camera as the main priority? Because camera people can buy anywhere. In their hometown also they get on Amazon. But still, now we'll be covering the camera. This is the X5 with the Indian hologram with the 1-year warranty. So you'll be getting X5 here. So you will be getting support and sales after service from us only. Even warranty you can either claim from us or you can claim directly from the brand. We are authorized dealer for all the brands. So we have all the models, X5, X4, X3. We have all the quantity in a huge quantity. So we have GoPro 10, GoPro 11, GoPro 13. Hero 9 won't be in the stock. Hardly there are only 2 pieces.
Yes.
So GoPro 10 and all, we also have a G2 bundle also. So as we shown all the GoPro, we have a G2 bundle also. This bundle is very trending right now in the offline. So in this bundle, you'll be getting a carry case, you'll be getting a GoPro, you'll be getting an extra battery charger with a screen guard silicone cover.
Yes.
So we do have for all the models G2 bundle, same warranty, but the price will be less. So right now, action camera, even we have DJI also. That won't be in the corner, but it's in the stock.
Yes, got it.
Now the last
the audio part of the whole process.
Audio part of the whole process. We have a Digitech mic for the starting from 1,500 rupees.
Yes.
This is 116 is the most trending mic for low budget.
Yes.
We have one more Chinese company for like 1,300, 1,500 rupees range.
Yes.
Then we do have a DJI mic mini in the stock.
So this is for people who already have DJI products,
DJI,
so that
for them mic mini is damn good.
yes.
But if someone wants to record with the phone, then Lark M2 would be the best choice.
Yes. So I personally bought this set, guys. So this will work with iOS, Android, and also camera system, laptop. So very versatile kit.
We also have Rode mic also for the
Yes.
clearance stuff. You can contact me for that.
Yes.
We do keep intercom, but not much quantity because we don't focus much on intercom.
Yes.
But we do have. Then we have lights for all the action cameras. We have for 25 watts. We have VL1
For indoor vlogging.
indoor vlogging, or even
Yes.
for the studio 50 watts.
Yes.
So we have covered all the accessories. So if anyone wants to buy any kind of action camera, or if you're looking for pre-order also, you can contact us. Plus we do buy the dead pieces. If it's not working also, you can come and exchange with us. Plus if you have any kind of inquiry for the corporate orders, or if it's an individual, if you want to create a motor vlogging setup, we'll personally help you with that. If any kind of accessories, any kind of action camera you need, and plus our pricing will be from Amazon less. It might be 500,000 rupees, but it will be 100 rupees also, it will be less, because you won't be feel like you have been overcharged here. So everything will be under control and you'll be getting the best support from our end. You can also check out our Instagram page G2 Products. Tumano ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು G2 Products ಅಂತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes.
So plus ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ for them I'm telling this.
Yes.
So you can anytime come visit our store, and thank you. Ride safe and keep updating with G2.
So it was an amazing experience here to go through all the collections of the various accessories for us motovloggers. I've never seen such a niche store which is focusing on so accessories part mostly, because this was one pain point for us bikers or content creators. We have to order a lot of things from a lot of places, wait, figure out, but here one stop solution we get, and I thank Gopal and G2 Products for allowing me to vlog this place. Very interesting. I hope this video helps all you content creators and our community.
We are located at the main corner of Bangalore. So it's in Bangalore city, so which is near to Nagarathpete, opposite to Ram Medical Store. You can find G2 Products, or you can also search in Google, or you can also follow us on Instagram G2 Products. So you can get information from there also. Plus we provide shipping pan India, and even in Karnataka we provide next day delivery by through bus or cargo. If not, courier is available every part of Karnataka or rest India. Always keep operating with G2 and ride safe.
Thank you. Amazing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Till then, later. See you. Ciao in another video. See you guys.